Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran yet again, welcoming you in a live chat session with Sriti Jha. Yes, Sriti is going to be joining us for this live, and as I told you, there were a lot of requests, और हम सारी requests पढ़ते हैं, and you guys highly requested for us to get Sriti. So here we are, and she is going to be joining us for this live. एंड एज यू ऑल नो, जो स्टोरी पे आपने क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं उसमें से मैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ कोर्स लूँगी, बट प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू ड्रॉप इन योर क्वेश्चन योर एज वेल.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the live. Are you able to see me?
Yes, I can see you. Can you see me?
Yes, now you're here. Hi, and welcome to the live, and how are
Thank
you?
I'm doing quite all right.
Okay, first up, tell me, is this lockdown been like a boon or a bane for you? Like, personally, like, are you an introvert or an extrovert,
Yes.
and how is it faring for you?
I think I'm an ambivert. I'm an extrovert. I want to be an introvert when I want to be. I think that's
Right.
how I judge myself. But this has been
Huh.
good for me. I like having
Huh.
time with myself. I like spending time with myself. I like doing things on my own. So yeah, I have been having a really good time.
Acha, a lot of your fans have been messaging us saying ki please ask her why has she become a little not so active on Instagram, and you have been posting very less. So is what do you have to share?
I post quite a lot, I think. I post more than I think I should. But I think जब मन करता है तभी पोस्ट करती हूँ. ऐसे मेरा कुछ ऐसे मतलब है नहीं कि
Right.
I want to post a picture every day. Some days I'll post
Right.
5 things and 5 million things. And when I like something, I
Huh.
share. Sometimes I share only to show off
Correct.
that I'm having a good time. So yeah, one of those
Right.
things I've done. And there's so much to do, so much else to do.
Huh. And I was coming to that only ki what has been the routine like? Like what have you been doing around the house?
Everything, because I am the only one in the house.
Right.
So I wake up in the morning, I wake up really early and I start my day with chai and I watch the sunrise. I try to wake up about
Wow.
the sunrise. I watch the sunrise, have my tea. Then I start my day later, make breakfast, then
Correct.
dishes or clean the house or do dusting. Everything.
Correct.
Everything. And I read.
But your routine sounds very disciplined because like right now, like I've seen people ki pure raat they're like, you know, jag rahe hain, binge watching on stuff, then getting up late. Have you made this sort of like disciplined routine very like yourself?
No, I didn't. I didn't have to try to come to this routine.
अच्छा.
And I think because ये routine हो गया, अब मुझे realize हो रहा है कि probably this is what I like the most when there is no external factor in my life. I think this is
Right.
what I like the most because I've been having a really peaceful time.
There is Tisha and Love writing. Are you missing anyone from shoot because you're not able to shoot and meet?
Everyone I'm missing. Everyone. It's such a nice unit to have. I'm missing everyone. Obviously, all of us we're trying to keep in touch through messages and everything. But yeah, it was
Correct. Ajab, now that you're all by yourself, have you also been writing more?
I've written
No?
nothing. I have written nothing, and it's really disturbing that I'm not writing. I just can't write. I cannot. There were so many prompts that I got, and they were good prompts, and I thought they'll make me write something, but I haven't written anything.
Acha, I thought you must have written a lot
नहीं,
of
कुछ
things
नहीं लिखा,
considering अभी
कुछ नहीं
time है.
लिखा. मैं
And have you
journaling.
been reading and all?
Yes, I've been reading. उसी में वक्त जाता है.
Right.
Yeah, I read a lot. So yeah,
Do
that's.
you have some recommendations also?
For now, everyone, people can't buy books right now. They have a Kindle. Read Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's
Right.
That's what the book is about. It's
Right.
about how the Earth is lived its time in the solar system, and now there is a person who's trying to hitchhike his way through galaxy, and it's a very funny book. And It's a funny
Interesting as
story.
well.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Have you also been a very like web series watcher? Because a lot of people are into like
What
watching
what else
shows.
can you do? Yes, yes, I've been watching TV. I have been watching TV a lot, and I
What are
finished
the
Momo
shows that,
Shots.
of
Momo
course.
Shots, of course. Mera pyar hai
Did you
usse.
like it?
Oh, I loved it. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Fan. So
A
yeah.
lot of people have seen the show, and we spoke to Manvi also the other day, and people were continuously asking her that how did you and Sriti become friends, and she gave us a little bit of throwback, saying ki like Dhoom Machao Dhoom se we were jamming together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
We've been, I don't know. We've been friends forever. अब मुझे लगता है that I've known Manvi all my life only.
correct.
Been this so long.
Okay, there is Itti Sara Z asking, what is your favorite track from Kumkum Bhagya?
Allah Varia, because it has the emotional value and very
Right.
nostalgic. It makes me feel so. Yeah, Allah Varia is the. It's every time when we go somewhere, Shabir and they play it. It just hits me with so many emotions. I love it. I love it. Also, there is this another
Correct.
song that we played during when we shoot scenes on the set.
Hmm.
It's by
Hmm.
Deep Rag. How can I forget? Man Bharya.
Right.
Man Bharya by Deep.
Ha.
So that track
Ha.
also I really like. That's what we generally play when we're shooting scenes, Shabir and
Correct. Correct. Okay, there is another question which is from Sangeetha Pranovam. She's asking when will you have a web debut with Shabir? मतलब web
I. As and when
debut
I want to
co-star
work,
be decided.
I want to work with Shabir all my life. I don't care whatever work it is. So yeah, why not? If somebody does make it happen, we'd love to do it.
Correct.
What if
But
मैंने बीच में कुछ
has the web space also been like something that interests you
Yes,
for
yes,
you
it
to
does.
like try your hands?
Yes, yes, it does. As uh, considering that the web people want to try their with, yeah.
Right. Okay, there is Juveria asking you what tops your bucket list.
What tops my bucket list? To travel the world, to see every nook and corner in the world.
There is Kidizi asking you what happened to Twist of Fate.
What happened to? I think Twist of Fate is Kumkum Bhagya. In some countries, it's called Twist of Fate. What
Okay.
happened to Kumkum Bhagya or Twist of Fate, like you said, is fate.
Huh.
Is what happened to the world. Kumkum Bhagya is also sitting at home, being safe,
Right.
and we'll be back soon.
Okay, there is a question from MRD. She's asking which exercise do you take to fit yourself? So basically, do you
Pocha.
have like a workout?
No, I only do pocha, and it works. It works and how? Please, guys,
Amazing.
I'm telling you, I've discovered it over the past 2 months. It's an exercise and it's lovely and
Right.
some purpose also.
Okay, it's Sriti underscore Rumpi is asking what is Sriti's favorite hobby except reading?
Favorite hobby? So recently I picked up puzzles. So now I like solving puzzles a lot.
Wow.
Hobby. Yeah, apart from reading, I like that. I started knitting. So yeah, I like that.
Huh. It's Sriti underscore Rumpi is also asking who is more cute, Shabir or Abhi?
Shabir.
But have you purposely, like picked up hobbies which are not like phone based या कुछ भी like technically
ऐसा
ऐसा
कुछ नहीं intentionally नहीं. I'm always on Instagram. I love Instagram. I'm a lot on the internet. ऐसे I
I thought
like
probably
doing things.
screen time नहीं रखने के लिए.
मैंने कुछ नहीं रखा है. I don't have so much of hang-ups. I just like doing different things and they just happened organically out of nowhere.
Right.
Started doing them. ऐसा कुछ intention नहीं था कि phone नहीं उठाना.
Right. Okay. Urvi underscore Prabhu is asking, what is the approx number of books that you've read till date?
What is the approx number of songs you've heard till date? You can't. I don't know. I don't know.
But you've been like a very avid reader, so like count
No,
rakhna
see,
is
I'm
very
not a very
like
consistent
difficult.
reader. Sorry to cut.
Acha.
I'm not a very consistent reader. Yes, there'll be one year where I'll read a lot. Like last year, I didn't read
Right.
much. I did not. And
Right.
even during this lockdown, I have been
Huh.
reading, but I have been so all over the place that I'm picking books randomly and I'll read a few pages, then keep it back and read something else. So that
Right.
has been happening a lot, but I enjoy it. I like this leisurely reading. I like it.
There is Abhigyalicious asking, what was her first impression when she met Shabir? Like
I was
throwback.
starstruck because I was very excited to work with him. I had always heard really good things about him. So yeah,
Right.
I was very excited because when I knew the first time I met him was at the narration. So
Correct.
I was very excited to work with him.
Right. Okay. There's a question from Sweet Giggles asking, what are your skincare hacks?
I don't have great skin. I'm wearing makeup. Skincare hacks, I think just eat healthy. I think eat healthy and drink water.
Right.
And don't take stress. Be happy.
Jatin Lalwani has asked, is that a bookshelf wallpaper behind Sriti?
Yes, it's a bookshelf behind.
Very curious.
Good question.
Acha, he had put that question, I think 3 to 4 times, which is why I was like, let's just ask. Okay, there is another question which says, do you plan to write a book?
No, I don't think so. I can write a book because I don't have that kind of patience, and also it's not in my POA. In plan of action, no, I'm not planning to write a book at all.
Right. Okay, Hiten Makwana is asking you, have you ever cheated in an exam?
No.
Were you like the studious kid, or you were the
No, I
backbencher?
was my in studies. I was always average. ठीक ठाक कर लेती थी. I was not like a intelligent student, and I was not very crappy also. I would get by.
There is Vaishali asking experience Sawan Mahotsav shooting with Riya.
Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's been a while since we did that, and Vishal was also in that episode. I remember having a
Right.
lot of fun shooting with all of them.
Correct. Okay, there is Neruvenda asking poetry or prose.
Oh, oh my God. Oh, to read? Oh my God. I started reading poetry also. Chalo, to write poetry, to read.
Huh. Okay, can you because this was also very highly requested that people wanted you to just like say a few verses for us if you can from any
याद नहीं
of
रहती
your
मुझे लाइनें. प्रैक्टिस करके परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है. अभी कुछ याद नहीं.
but
बात करते करते कुछ याद आएगा तो I will.
right. But you know, when the first time like I saw your video on YouTube, like you were reciting something, and I was blown ki, you know, like you never expect usually ki actors can have like this different sort of a talent. Have you like worked on it, या फिर it was something जो बचपन से you were like inclined towards?
No, it just happened all of a sudden. I don't know how. So that happened, and it's actually a misconception. I have seen recently, in fact, since the lockdown, I have seen so many actors picking up sketching,
Correct.
painting, something else. Everybody,
Correct.
it's just that when we're so busy, we don't
Probably
get the time to
नहीं
do
मिलता.
anything.
हाँ.
And with
Right.
something like poetry, I think I can write whenever it comes to me, right? So I'm not the kind of person who sits down and thinks towards. When I'm working towards a topic, it always is not as nice as when something comes to me automatically. तो उसके लिए इतना वक्त नहीं लगता है, but बाकी चीजों के लिए वक्त लगता है ना, तो लोगों को टाइम नहीं मिलता. अभी इतना सारा वक्त है तो सब कर रहे हैं ना, कोई कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है.
Yeah, everybody has been like very super
And
active with
how
like sketching,
interesting is that?
cooking, and all.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very interesting. I've seen like people sketching and they're like really good at it.
Yeah.
There is Riya Bharti writing, share your acting secrets.
Will I tell you? No, 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 no. My acting secret. There are no secrets. Yeah, there are. I बोलते ना, I get by with a little help of my friends. वही वाली बात है. There people that you act with help you to do the scene as well as you do. Your director
Right,
helps you do. It takes a whole village. It's never one
right.
person. And
But
I don't
has
think I can tell you
But
from
of course,
last.
I think there has been like a evolution, like of course, because people generally also evolve. But tell me, like, do you
I
remember
do.
the first time you faced the camera and now, like, how different the whole situation is?
It's a lot different. पहले तो आइडिया ही नहीं था कि कर क्या रहे हैं और डर लग जाता था. I used to be
Right,
scared that I should remember every instruction that the director has given.
correct.
तो वो अब कम हो गया है. But
हाँ,
अभी भी डर लगता है. I'm still very nervous when I'm working with a new director. I'm very nervous the day I'm working with a choreographer or a fight master. I am very nervous. Yeah. But that
Mariam,
helps in becoming better working with new people.
right. Mariam is asking, ask Ritti if she's watching old Indian movies. Have you
Yeah,
been
yeah.
watching?
So the other day I watched Kohinoor with Dilip Kumar and Meena Kumari in it, and it has been my favorite of all times, and I really enjoy watching that film. So I watched that. I
Right,
watched Chupke Chupke, which is another one of my favorites. So yeah, I've been
right.
watching a lot of. Can
Okay,
please someone tell
Rumpi.
me if any OTT platform has Casablanca? I really want to watch Casablanca.
Guys, start commenting.
Please do.
Okay, there is Rumpi asking, because you've stayed in Calcutta for years, do you know Bengali?
Yeah, I speak Bangla. I speak Bangla. I'd like to give
Now
you
the
a
next
question.
comment would be, make her speak in Bengali.
They must have seen 100 times if they're on the internet. Me, I speak in Bangla.
Right. Ash Creation is asking, share your favorite memory from your childhood.
My childhood. I don't remember nothing from my childhood. It's going on only. It's not getting over only. What do I tell you? Sorry, I don't have an answer to that question.
But were you like a notorious kid? Yeah, like does your mom share any sort of like
Yeah,
kuch instances with you?
she does share a lot of things, but I was not a very interesting child. I was very boring. I don't have that many. I was a very boring child.
Gulecha Zara is asking, do you like watching TV?
Yeah, I love watching TV. I love watching TV.
So like the regular shows, या फिर like Netflix and all of that on TV,
No, right now, I'm only watching OTT. And
right?
because we're always working, I don't have cable in my house anymore.
Right.
I'm never home to actually watch it. So it's only OTT. But everything that's on TV is almost on the internet now, on all the channels, internet.
Right.
Hardik, I wasn't
Uh,
a nerd. I saw it. My school friend is like, you were a nerd. You were a nerd, Hardik. Ah.
right. Okay, there is Simran Keswani asking you any ambition before coming in the acting line. So, like, did you plan on doing something else before becoming an actor?
See, I didn't really have a plan because I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. But I really liked my teachers a lot. So I wanted to
Right.
be like them. In college, I had really, really good teachers. I think I really wanted to become like them and therefore become a teacher or a professor.
Right. Okay, there is redrose.farheen asking, who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor. Zishan is asking, are you a party person? You tell me. My favorite actor, right?
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan. I really like Shah Rukh Khan.
But
And I like Ranbir Kapoor also a lot. Ranbir Kapoor.
and answering the only Zishan's question, are you a party person?
Yes, I am. I am. I'm
Would he
partying with
disagree?
myself.
There were a lot of questions before you joined in, which were about would she do Khatro Ke Khiladi?
I'm scared of everything and I'm a very lazy person. I like to laze around. And if you come and tell me there is a job that will make me jump and wake up in the morning and do things, I'm never excited about doing things.
Okay, there is Raj asking you, please tell us some romantic books.
Romantic books. Oh, which ones have I really liked recently? So there is the Me Before You series by Jojo Moyes.
Hmm.
It's very
Hmm.
funny and nice. There is All the Bright Places by Jennifer Niven, although it's by young adult, but it's a lovely book, and that's romance. And something I read recently called Flat Share by Beth O'Leary. It's a very fun book. Free book. That's it.
Here you go, Raj. You can take these recommendations. The Preeti Prasad is asking, when is your next poem coming?
After I write it. I don't know. I'm asking my muse that where is my next poem. My muse is not answering.
Sriti Shabir Pankha is saying one song you would like to dedicate to your fan army.
Oh, what is a song that says thank you? What is a song that says thank you? I'm so grateful for all of them, and they make me happy on a regular basis. Like every day, I'll see something that will touch my heart, and it's so fortunate to have that in life, and it's really nice. Okay, I will answer this question even if it's not in this live session. I will answer this question in one of my stories when I find the perfect song.
Okay, SC underscore Anani is writing. Can you tell us the off-screen story behind how Fugi was created?
Oh my god, it was so long ago. Fugi, actually, it was a part of the script only. And
Okay.
when we were shooting that sequence, I think my face only had become fat, like really fat. My cheeks had become really fat, and I think that's how the writer came up with it. But yeah, that's. I'm assuming my fat face was the reason, but I don't know. But I love all my nicknames on the show. I was
But
just thinking
you've
about it.
never had a fat face. I think it's only like अपने आप को ऐसा लगता है but ऐसा कभी हमने नहीं देखा.
But I like it.
Jaya
I like the name.
underscore Jaya underscore Anbalagan is asking your favorite holiday destination.
My favorite holiday destination. अब क्या ही बोलूं. So I really like Pondicherry as a city, and just the whole thing about the city I really love. And
Right.
Thailand is my favorite. And Prague.
Choco Pie 830 is asking favorite scene with Shabir from the show.
Oh my god. Every scene that I shoot with Shabir is one of my favorites. I I don't know which one. The drunk scenes
सब वही
are
पूछ रहे हैं favorite
so much.
अभिज्ञा scene.
Drunk scenes, all our drunk scenes. Oh my god, we've had so much fun. We have had so much fun doing drunk scenes. And
Right.
one of them resurfaced recently, and it's just so many memories. I love all my drunk scenes, all our drunk scenes together. It's just so much fun to do.
Okay. There is Rupa Thilak asking you when is your marriage yaar? मतलब like she's just done with it. When is
बहुत
your
परेशान हो
marriage
गई
yaar?
हैं आप रूपा तिलक. You're so bothered. हो जाएगी यार. नहीं भी होगी तो क्या बुरा है?
She's also sent you love you more. I think it's just the way she speaks.
It's okay. It's a cool way to talk. Go Rupa.
Pravi X Tisha Love is asking, please come back to Pondicherry. She's saying actually.
Pondi, actually, I've been so many times. I want to come back to Pondi. I love being in Pondicherry. I love the food. I love the weather. I love everything. So yeah, I've spent 3
Right.
New Years in Pondicherry. 3 New Years in Pondicherry. Yeah, I'd
Wow.
love to be back.
Kavya has written, can you please give us some home decor ideas in your IGTV?
Home decor ideas, it should be. Hi, Manvi! Manvi. So, home decor ideas, so yeah, it should be whatever makes you happy, yeah. You fill your house with things that make you happy.
Like a personal touch is
Yeah,
important.
my
Jo,
house is
whatever
always.
you feel.
No, I think just have plants. It's good to have plants in the house.
Hmm.
And keep
Right.
things that you like.
Okay. Sakshi's asked this question like 20 times. Who is your best friend?
I can't believe I still have to answer this question. Manvika.
Somebody is asking your daily schedule. It's Dhruvi. And also, I admire you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dhruvi. So I wake up in the morning, I watch my sunrise with my tea. Then I make breakfast. Then I do jhadu pocha, dusting, wusting, everything. And
Right.
I cook lunch. पूरा बताऊं उसके बाद
नहीं
लेट्स गो
मतलब
आसमान देखती हूँ पढ़ लेती हूँ टीवी देख लेती हूँ
Tanu is asking your favorite actress in your fraternity.
in on television.
Huh.
Oh my god, so many of them. Right now, no one's on air. Who's on air right now? And I'm like, no one on air. Off the top of my head right now, because it's the season for Barish, Asha.
Wow. Nice. There is
I love man.
have you Fugi Rockstar is writing, have you read Abhigya Tisha fan fiction?
Some of them I have, and they're so well written. That's some good storytelling out there, and they remember so much. They remember small
Haan.
little things that Abhi and Pragya have done in scenes together.
Right.
So that is very nice. Just touches my heart the way that they write it, and they're very nice. They're very very good.
Anu is asking you your favorite Harry Potter character.
ऐसे कैसे पूछ लेते हो यार favorite Harry Potter character? I like Sirius Black. I like Nymphadora Tonks. For some reason, I really like her. Probably because she's Hufflepuff and I'm Hufflepuff. And I like Lupin also. I like
Right.
Harry also. Hermione, obviously. Favorite is Hermione.
Okay. And the last question that we'll take is life underscore books is writing. What are you learning from your books that you read?
Oh my god, that's such a good question. Empathy, I think. Empathy and kindness.
Right.
Ooh,
It's very
what
rare.
just asked me Hermione or Sirius. Can't choose, yeah. Gagru can't choose. Zishan is
September Magic. September Magic has written, are there any similarities between Sriti and Pragya?
Lots. Lots is similar. I think बहुत कुछ है similar, but I cannot pinpoint it. But there are lots of things that are similar between Sriti and Pragya.
Itti Kavya has written, if you get any opportunity to do a music album, then will you do it?
Yeah, why not? क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that you like मतलब kept yourself कि नहीं मैं यही like I want to do this only or that only ऐसा कुछ
Don't
भी.
make rules. Even if
So guys,
even the rules I make, I break them. Yeah. What's the point?
amazing. But right now, one rule which everybody has to follow is the lockdown and like stay home. Lastly, before we end this, what message would you like to give everybody who's at home and wanted this live to happen and they wanted you to answer their questions?
Thank you guys so much. I don't know what makes you wait for me live. I have nothing important to say to you guys, but yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. अब इतना सारा वक्त है तो मैं बहुत सारे edits वगैरह देख लेती हूँ and it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Shruti is requesting, can you sing a song?
No baby, I can't sing a song. And please stay home, stay careful, and stay healthy, eat healthy, and try and help people around you. And this is the time
Correct.
that we have to come together in ways that we can. So please help each other
Right.
out, and let's sit it out and wait and hope that things will get.
Arjit Taneja's writing, "Hi, I miss you."
I miss you too, Arjit. I miss you so much.
Acha, lastly, Smriti, because Mumbai has been, dealing with the situation more than comparatively. What sort of precautions do you also advise people who are watching us to take, and what are you also taking personally?
The only thing that the most important thing that we can do is stay home and go out
Correct.
only when it's extremely essential. And even when you go
Hmm.
out, you come back, you take a shower, you wash your hands, you sanitize the things that you bought from outside.
Hmm.
And yeah, so those are the things that I'm taking care of. I'm just staying home. That's all we can do.
Tales of the Barefoot has written few lines from her poem.
I love you too, Lata ma'am. Trails of my bare feet. Oh my God, if I had something memorized, I would have. अभी मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा.
Acha, we'll take a promise from her that if she can just put up a story, probably
हाँ.
later on, dedicating a song to her fan army
Yes.
and saying a few
One
poem ke lines.
Yes, yes. I'll wait.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much, Sriti,
Thank
for
you.
talking to us and taking out time.
Right.
And we hope that we see you soon on screen in action.
I hope so.
And yeah, thank you so much. Stay home, take care of yourself.
You too. Bye.
Bye. See you. So, guys, that was Riti Jha with us. You guys highly requested for us to get her, and we finally had her on the live. She was super sweet, kind, and insightful in terms of the books that she recommended, and a lot of other things. She shared some fun secrets behind the scenes, some of her favorites, and all of that. In case you've missed out on any of the parts, please make sure that you check out the entire live. I'm going to save it on our Instagram handle. It's going to go up on YouTube as well. You can watch it there. And I would like to thank Sriti. I would like to thank everybody who joined in. And yes, that's about it. This is Simran saying goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, take care. And that's about it. Tada.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.